because she can't be left alone for more than an hour without having to go to the restroom. Other than that, I've just been playing with OpenClaw because they reset the rate limits. I wrote a sci-fi book and it's called Dark Offerings. I'm so tired. Good morning, Future Kate here. Today's vlog is a little bit small, but I talk a lot about tech and what I'm doing with OpenClaw. If you're here for the tech stuff, jump right in. I decided to start working only half days on Wednesdays, so I've been here with Mary all day. I guess, yeah. Update. It's worth doing because it saves everybody from having to worry about the dog using the restroom randomly in the house, because she can't be left alone for more than an hour without having to go to the restroom. I think she might have a bladder infection or something. If she can't hold it, or is she really just that old? I don't know. I'm just hanging out in my room. I didn't really eat breakfast or dinner. I did have a lunch, the leftovers curry I ate. Yeah, so I ate the curry leftovers. That was good. Other than that, I've just been playing with OpenClaw because they reset the rate limits. So I've been playing around. I had it down to like 35% or something like that. Now it's back up to, it was back up to 100%. Now it's down to 90% again. I'm just going and going. It was needed. I need to go some more, but I'm noticing that it's taken a while for it to, like use my context windows, not just context windows. Using my usage limits is taking a while longer for it to use those. I've been setting it to how it works with memory and what needs to be remembered, what doesn't. I had it create entities for every person or animal. So I talk about Mary and it'll, add more to the memory about Mary, but it'll be separate from the long-term memory. So yeah, it's kind of cool. It's making entities automatically when I talk about someone. So it's cool. And I added this new privacy thing. So if it's normal, it'll every time it responds, it'll have like a white emoji. It's like a little white dot. And then if I tell it to go into privacy mode, it'll turn that white dot from every response into a red dot. So it won't record anything into memory when it's on a red dot. It's kind of cool. So the actual cool thing about all this is I was taking my book. I wrote a sci-fi book and it's called Dark Offerings. So I took my book and I'm going through and looking at all the tech stuff that I created in my book, and I'm saying, can any of that be used to make my agent better on OpenClaw? So I've been doing that, and that's where I got the privacy feature from and the entity feature, so that you have more descriptive stuff for entities, so it can lighten the long-term memory, and we're bringing other memories as its own separate kind of entity thing. It's really cool. So another short vlog today. I'm so tired. It is already past midnight, 12:24, and I need to go to bed. So sorry it's so short, but I hope you had fun, at least listening to me nerd out a little bit. I got a little excited. I'm sorry. They reset my limits and I was like, use it. Anyways, I'll talk to you later. Bye.